Hey everybody, this is the first time I actually get to take the car out, so let's see how reverse does. Power steering works well.
I would love to ride this to school.
Did Grandma get on it when she was in here?
No, she only went a little bit fast. I said in the car when we went, when I went with Grandma, I said I'm gonna show everyone this video at my school, and they're just probably all gonna come over to my house and ask if they could have a ride with this.
I don't like that small brake pedal. Can't remember how small it was.
This is fun.
Grandpa's very happy, sweetie.
Same.
So, if you've seen how fast this engine is, the engine that you've helped me record in my videos is 2 times the power of this. So when I say I want to go down a drag strip, now you understand what I'm talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Good thing is speedometer works, RPMs work, temperature works, amperage works, our fuel gauge doesn't work, and we know why. The oil pressure switch doesn't work. That was my mid-shift. Okay.
Whee! This is fun.
Oh man, now all we need is a radio so we can listen to something,
Yes.
which we have in the garage, so yeah, that's got to get installed.
Yeah. What are we gonna listen to?
Whatever. We're idling at like 25.
I told Grandma in the car when we were like right here turning around to go back to the house, I told her that I'm probably gonna get a high grade in engineering class.
That's whatever you want to do. Okay, put the camera on me. Just want to tell everybody this is a great day, and me to take this on the highway real quick. Open it up, try to get to 4th gear, 5th gear, and but other than that, love you all, take care, and bye-bye.